Welcome to Accelerate IT tutorials. Today we are going to show you how to do the data cleaning using AI. So we'll be using the Gemini AI tool to help us to do the cleaning of this data. As you can see, this column B, we have the data which don't have the same format. We have empty space, some of the data start with low key, other with capital letter. In the column C, we have the same issue, inconsistency in the data there. There are some names start with the capital letter, the other ones don't, and have some spaces. In this region you have where there is no region. So we're going to do the cleanup, right? So we're going to do the cleanup. Then the clean data will be located in this second sheet. So I have prepared the prompt to assist us to handle that. So starting with the first column, I'm going to clean up this data and it has to be here. So I'll copy this and then put it into the command prompt, the Gemini tool. Write an Excel formula to trim extra spaces. Capitalize the first letter of each word for cell B. Then here we are going to capitalize each data in this cell for each word, to capitalize the word and remove the empty space which are here in this column B. So what I do, I place enter. Here's the formula. I copy it, then I bring it here, I paste it, then I have to make sure that I'm referring to the right cell. Then I make a reference. The formula here you can see is perfect. Then I copy the formula up here, so you can see the data has the same format. All the data around this cell has same format. So we go in the column C, we do the same. So we are going to make sure that each name start with capital letter. So I'll use this prompt here that I have prepared, paste it here, write an Excel formula to trim extra space, capitalize the first letter of each word and replace blank value with a noun for cell C6. Right, here we have the formula. We have the formula here. What we do, we copy it, then we go back to the cell, then we just paste it here and we make sure that we are doing what? We are referring to the right cell. This is the cell, we place enter. So we are having this error because the formula still has what? Still referring in the same cell where we have formula. I click OK, then I go to the formula. I make sure that I make the right reference again here to be C6. I place enter, and then I do the same here, right? Yes, we have John Smith, and the names are correctly written. So I apply this formula to the other laws. So you can see, like here we have a noun because here there is no name, and the command prompt to give to AI, we requested it to use a noun. So we go back again. We are going to fix the region. So we have prepared what? The prompt here. Let me copy it and put it here. So the prompt say, write an Excel formula to trim extra space, capitalize the first letter of each word, and replace blank value with a noun for the cell D6. Yes, the AI will generate a formula for us. I copy it, right? Copy it, and then I'll go back to my cell, then make sure that I'm referring to the right data. Place enter. I see the same error. I have to make sure that the formula is referring to the right cell. I'm getting this warning because the formula is referring to the cell where the formula is placed, right? I place OK. Then I make sure that I'm making a reference to the right cell. Still here, I have to fix this one as well. I do the same thing here. Here we are. Then I apply the formula to other cell. You can see here things are compared to this unformatted data and the formatted one. Things are perfect, right? So then here let's say we have also the bonus rate here, and then we are going to calculate the bonus. The bonus will be basing on what? So let me copy the prompt I have prepared. So create a nested if formula that's calculate commission bonuses based on 2 criteria. If sales are greater than 50K in cell E6 and the region is north in cell D6, give a 10%. If sales are greater than 30K in cell E6, give a 5%, else 2%. Wrap it up wrap it in if error. So we'll be using if error function in this formula that we're going to ask Gemini to generate for us. I click here. Here we are. The formula is generated. All I do, I copy the formula, then I go back to my column where I want it to be, then I make the right reference. So the good thing is the reference here we have, it's in this E column, so we'll be referring in this column. That's where we have the amount. I place enter. You see it's if the amount is more than 50K, we get a 10%. If it's more than 30K, we get 5. If it's other than that, it's 2%. So you apply the formula. Here we are, and everything is calculated here. You see the bonus payout are here. So you can see that thanks to AI, we can resolve some complicated Excel formula. That's all for today. As you can see, the data, this messy data before, and the cleaned and processed data after. You can see the data now are clean, right? Data are clean. So that's what I wanted to share with you, how to use AI and generate the good formula that can help us to do data cleanup. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share. I'll see you again with a new video.